Hi guys, Dan Harper here, racing in the 2024 British GT Championship with SRO Motorsport. We're here at Oulton Park. Join me for a lap in the driver's eye view. So you can see turn 1, I ran slightly wide, probably track limits in qualifying, so we need to be careful there. Down the hill in the Cascades, tricky corner, some off camber, so you need to get in early and focus on a good exit. Also be careful on the track limits. So down the back straight, reaching nearly 230 k's, fast corner, just under 200 k's through there, and then breaking into the bank corner, one of my favourite corners on the track. It really hugs you in on the inside, so there's loads of grip. Then into the very technical chicane, the first chicane here at Oulton Park. Important to take as much curb as you can. You can see here I took too much, had a bit of a slide, so that's not the best way through there. But yeah, then back over the hill, down the hill. We have some traffic here coming up at Janetta, so just take care there. On a practice day, it's important not to have a touch. Through the chicane, be neat and tidy. Really important to get a good exit up the hill. It's a long drive, and uphill you can really lose a lot of momentum there. Into a very high speed corner, Druids, 4th gear, 140 k's. Again, it's tricky. There's no runoff on the exit, so very easy to make a mistake there. And now breaking into the last corner, you can see I actually back off to set up another lap due to the traffic. But yeah, there's a lap, very undulating, loads of technical parts, so tricky to get right, and come qualifying it'll be important to get a good spot on the grid. Thank you guys.